Welcome to Wingadal, the epitome of luxurious living in Australia. Often referred to as Aussie Stadium, this trophy home, located at 2 Wingadal Place in Point Piper, is a testament to grandeur and vision of Aussie Home Loans founder John Symond. With an eye-watering valuation expected to exceed $200 million, Wingadal sets the benchmark for high-end real estate in the country. Designed by the acclaimed architect Alex Sands, this palatial residence is a masterpiece of design and construction, developed over 8 meticulous years. Situated on over a 2,600 square metre parcel of land, equivalent to 4 standard residential blocks, Wingadal enjoys a prestigious west-facing position on the peninsula, offering breathtaking views of Sydney Harbour, the iconic Opera House, and the Harbour Bridge. The residence unfolds over 4 expansive levels, with amenities that cater to an exceptionally luxurious lifestyle. It features vast entertaining areas that can accommodate up to 500 guests, undercover parking for 20 vehicles, including an 8-car garage, and sophisticated living spaces comprising 4 bedrooms and a 2-bedroom guest apartment. Additional luxuries include a 2,500 bottle wine cellar, a private theatre and seating for 22, a swimming pool, and 2 commercial kitchens, making it an entertainer's paradise. The estate's interiors are as grand as its exterior, with a striking art piece in the foyer featuring inspiring words from John Symond's mother, Joyce, encouraging him to think big, advice he took to heart in creating this magnificent home. Wingadal is more than a residence. It's a landmark of Sydney, serving as an unofficial civic building due to its pivotal role in the city's charitable scene. It's a private sanctuary that also stands ready to host the next generation of grand events. This is a rare opportunity to own one of the world's most extraordinary homes in one of its most enviable locations. A property truly without equal in Australia, combining unparalleled luxury with a capacity to fulfill every imaginable need, whether public or intensely private. Wingadal is not just a residence, it's a legacy waiting for its next custodian.